Okay, Poppy, so I am right now standing at the bottom of my stairs, and here are the sliding doors to go into the barn. There are 4 horse stalls. The cat's food is in the 4th, the last stall. So you just slide the door open. Oh, and there's a cat right now. Hi, kitty cat. How you doing, sweets? You gonna run away? There you go. You got it. See there, right by the little cat door, there is a silver bucket. There is a scoop inside the bucket. And their bowl is just right on top of the cat house. So if you just fill that up, that will be great. You do not have to give them any water. They are on their own for water sources. Then, at the back of the barn is the greenhouse. And here are the plants that need to be watered. This one, as you can see, it's already kind of drying out anyway, so don't worry when you see it looking like that. This one, this tree, this pepper tree, this potted plant, this pepper plant here, this potted plant, this rosemary, and this, it looks like a lime tree, but it's really lemons. So here is, hanging from the ceiling, is the hose that just glides. You just pull it and it glides along. Here is where you turn the water on, and then this, then you can just spray. And you only need to water these on Saturday, tomorrow, okay? You don't have to water them Sunday then, okay? There is this one in the corner. Don't worry about it because it only gets watered once a week. And then you'll see some random pots here, these colored ones. You do not have to do anything with those. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 altogether. Thanks!